This is question 20. It says that consider a thin annular sheet lying on the xy plane with r1 and r2 as its inner and outer radius respectively. If the sheet carries a uniform surface charge density sigma and spins about the origin O with a constant angular velocity omega equal to omega 0 z hat, then the total current flow on the sheet is what? These are the options. Okay, these are the options given. Now consider a thin annular sheet at a distance r. This is at a distance r and the thickness is dr. Dr is the thickness of the small annular sheet. The annular sheet is like this. Oh, like this. Okay, this is at distance r and this the small thickness is dr. Okay, so at this point the linear velocity v, linear velocity at r that is v equal to omega into r. Omega is the angular velocity which is constant, that is omega 0 into r. Okay, r is the distance from the center. So linear velocity v equal to omega 0 r. Now surface current we know कि surface charge density K, that is equal to sigma into V. Sigma is the sigma V, sorry, not K, yes, K, surface current density, sorry, surface current density K is equal to sigma V. Okay, so total surface current I surface, that is equal to integration surface current density into ds, K dot ds. Okay, so that is equal to integration sigma V ds. Okay, now integration I is equal to sigma is sigma, this is constant, this is surface charge density sigma, this is constant, this is uniform, means constant. So sigma V means omega 0 r into ds. In polar form, ds is what? Ds is r dr d theta. In polar form, ds is equal to r dr d theta. We know this. And what will be the limit of the integration? That will be from r1 to r2, as the radius of the disc is r1 and r2. r1 is the inner radius, r2 is the outer radius. So let us integrate this term. So this is equal to integration r1 to r2 sigma omega 0 r square dr into 0 to 2 pi d theta. This is equal to sigma omega 0 r cube by 2 r1 to r2 into integration 0 to 2 pi d theta, that is equal to 2 pi. Okay, equal to 2 pi. This will be 3. Okay, this will be 3. So let us take another color, blue. So is this is equal to 2 pi sigma omega 0 by 3 into r cube from r1 to r2. That will be equal to 2 pi sigma omega 0 by 3 into r2 cube minus r1 cube, that is I surface. This is the total surface current. Okay. So let us check which answer is correct, which option is correct. So we have 2 pi sigma omega 0 by 3 r2 cube minus r1 cube. This is 2 pi sigma omega 0 by 3 r2 cube by r1 cube. So option A. So option A, this is correct. This option is correct.